The Commonwealth Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act 1999, the EPBC Act, establishes an approval process for development projects likely to have a substantial impact on matters of national environmental significance. The EPBC Act lacks what is described as a greenhouse trigger. In other words, the mere fact that a project will result in the emission of substantial amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere can never trigger regulation under the EPBC Act. This case attempted to get around the absence of that trigger. There was a proposal for 2 new coal mines in Queensland, Isaac Plains and Sonoma. The government approved each project, and Wildlife Whitsunday objected, arguing that the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park and also some Ramsar wetlands protected by the EPBC Act would suffer due to the climate effects of the coal mines. There was no doubt that the coal mines would contribute to climate change. The court found greenhouse gases would be emitted as a result of the mining operation itself, as a result of the transportation of the coal, and burning the coal will also produce greenhouse gases. The government claimed to have considered these factors, but decided that the additional impact of these particular mines would be insignificant. The court agreed. Justice Dowsett said, "The applicant's concern is the possibility that at some unspecified future time, protected matters in Australia will be adversely and significantly affected by climate change of unidentified magnitude, such climate change having been caused by levels of greenhouse gases derived from all sources in the atmosphere." There has been no suggestion that the mining, transportation or burning of coal from either proposed mine would directly affect any such protected matter, nor was there any attempt to identify the extent, if any, to which emissions from such mining, transportation and burning might aggravate the greenhouse gas problem. The applicant's case is really based upon the assertion that greenhouse gas emission is bad and that the Australian government should do whatever it can to stop it, including, one assumes, banning new coal mines in Australia. The coal mines were approved. The EPBC Act in Australia still lacks a greenhouse trigger. Still, karma came to the rescue this time. The owners of the Isaac Plains mine paid $430 million for the mine in 2011, but then the price of coal collapsed, and in 2015 they sold the mine for just $1.